There are lots of ways to get or make site models, but not all context models are made equal. Some models look brilliant but are completely uneditable, while some are editable but not very accurate. When you're actually working with your design in context, you need a model that balances editability, accuracy, and performance. One of the best ways to get a model that hits all 3 points is to use Cityweft. Cityweft models combine data from over 100 sources to create models that are highly accurate and actually usable in your CAD or BIM software. Let's have a look at how to get Rhino models from the platform. For Rhino, you actually have two options. You can either get a model from the Cityweft platform or directly in Rhino via a plugin, but we'll start with the platform. Once you're in the platform, click Create New Project, and this will take you to the map view. Then you just need to search for your site using the search bar. This can be pretty much anywhere in the world. Then draw a rectangle around your site and click Generate. Now you'll see a preview of your context model and some options to configure it. You'll see options for 3 different terrain types, and you can choose which suits you best depending on your project. I'll pop a link to a blog post explaining the differences in the description. Then, in the Visibility tab, you'll see all the different features and data layers that are included in your model, and you can choose which layers you'd like to include. Once you're happy with how your model looks, go ahead and click Export. For Rhino exports, you can choose either Rhino 8 or Rhino 7, and you can see that both are fully georeferenced and include topography as NURBS. Let's head over to Rhino to see how the model works. Cityweft directly exports a 3DM file so you can easily open it. Everything is grouped into the same layers you saw in the preview, meaning it's really easy to control what's visible or editable while you work. Buildings are also individually editable, so you can freely delete, move, or edit them as you need. Since Cityweft models include a NURBS terrain, it's really easy to make edits to the surface as you need, like so. If you'd prefer not to use an external platform to get your models, you can use the Cityweft plugin. Let's have a quick look at how that works. To open the plugin, type Cityweft into the command bar. Then the process is very similar to the web platform. Just type in your site address and draw a rectangle around your project area. Make sure you've got topography toggled on, as well as all of the other elements you want to include before clicking Download and Import. Your model will then be imported directly to Rhino, with all the same layer settings and editability options as the model you'd get from the platform. So instead of choosing between something that looks good and something that actually works, you're getting a model that does both without slowing you down. It's consistent in how it's built, reliable in the data it's based on, and fast to generate and work with once it's in your file. Since everything is accurate and fully editable, you'll be using your model as a tool, not fighting against it. Thanks very much for watching to the end. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. If I've missed anything you'd like more info on, drop a comment below.